with all of these different allergy medicines going over the counter, they really do need to kind of differentiate and separate themselves out. The higher price points that do come associated with these necessitate probably an additional layer of incentive for a lot of shoppers. Although once a shopper finds one that they like, generally they stick with it. So what would the benefit be for them to change? Well, in a lot of cases, it's a really good coupon and would make them say, oh, well, this is working, but maybe I'll try this since it's on promotion and there's a layered offer with a coupon on top of it. So why does this all matter? We've talked about a lot of different types of promotions today, a lot of different types of tactics that are happening. The reason that this is important is that in a lot of organizations, the brand messaging, and I think for this particular category, this is an important piece because brand perception for these products is so critical to people deciding for one company or manufacturer versus another. The combination of the brand message with the promotional offers is just that additional message amplification that will drive the movement, hopefully, for that particular manufacturer and retailer for a traffic spike. And the combination of these efforts is also important because there's a lot of money being spent here. So if you think about any company's P&L, promotions and advertising is the second largest line item on any company's P&L for the most part, next to cost of goods. Astronomical dollars are being exchanged here, and the promotion and advertising components are usually handled completely separately. So how do you start to maximize the opportunities that exist by really driving a cohesive message? Or if that's not the appropriate thing for the audience, how do you start to target and really go after people by their media type usage in terms of segmentation?